Morning. My name is Mike White, and I'm with Vision 33. Today, we're going to take a deep dive and look at assembly bill of materials, assembly bombs, how they can be used, how they work within SAP Business One. And it's really a neat feature. They have a lot of uses, and a lot of people don't realize that they're available. So let's go ahead and dig into it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into a bill of material, and in here we're going to search for our assembly bomb. So here's an example of an assembly bill of material where I have this power inverter, which is made up of two products. It's made up of a power head and a wire box. And if we drill down a little bit deeper and we look at the finished good, you can see that to be an assembly bomb, it can't be an inventory item or a purchase item because we don't actually stock this in its finished good form. What we do is when we sell one of these, what happens is we pick a power head and we pick a wire box, and those are assembled during the picking process. So an assembly bomb is ideal for when you sell a product you don't actually stock fully configured. And as part of that picking process on a sales order or a delivery, that's where you do the picking of the multiple pieces, you package it, and you ship it as a finished good. So the assembly bomb, again, it's something that we sell, but we don't stock it or we don't purchase it. Now the components for the assembly bomb, these we do stock and these we do sell, these we do purchase. And you'll notice that one of these is a manual issue and one of these is backflush. The reason for that is I want serialized control on this. So I've picked one of my components, the power head here, to be a serialized item. And it's kind of interesting the way SAP processes this throughout the whole process. It's really pretty neat. So with that being said, that is an assembly bomb. And now we're going to see how this works as we go through the process. So let's sell one. So let's start by going into a sales order, and let's place an order with Earthshaker. They haven't paid their bills in a while, but we'll let it slide this time. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pick that finished good, the inverter. And when I select that, what it's done is this bill of material. If you'll notice down on the bottom right